We're out here enjoying the day at ERX. Hello, my beautiful wife. We've been toying around. Found something I absolutely loathe, and that's mud. I will say the one thing out at ERX is the trail systems are, more novice, beginner trails. I think a lot of the beginner guys had a really good time, and in order to entertain ourselves, we found some really deep mud. Wanted to see if I could get stuck, get some use out of the winch. I spent Friday and Saturday basically just pulling other Jeeps and side-by-sides out of a huge mud pit. You can see just from sitting here the giant amounts of mud that have fallen off the Jeep since getting here. Just sitting here parked up. So, but we're out here having a good time, Jeep after Jeep. Right now we're watching Travis Pastrana Nitro Rally. Kind of cool the way they've got this set up out here for us. We're literally right on top of the racetrack. There's something coming. Oh, the side-by-sides are racing now. That's what I get for toying around with the Jeeps. Just paying attention to that, not anything else. And just lined up. How's it going, guys? Just one after another, and the rest of the park's pretty full up. I was fairly impressed. I thought this event was going to drag, and it did. A lot of side-by-sides. I was worried the Jeep counts wouldn't quite be as good, but there's another one tucked back in the back there, and a few others around. But it has just been an absolute riot out here this all weekend long. Got to give a shout out again, Voodoo Off-Road. Their kinetic rope has been used all 3 days, and today, once again, a lot of guys who have never used one, have never seen one. One guy literally pulled out his phone and ordered it off of Amazon immediately. So if you've not seen one, I'm going to be posting other videos using the rope so you guys can see what that's like. Tow strap should be thrown in the trash if ever planned on using it to jerk a vehicle out. Absolute waste, shocking your vehicle, the vehicle you're dragging out of the mud. It's just a terrible idea. Anyways, we had a really good time with that, so that's what we're up to this weekend. Watching rally cars flying off of jumps, side-by-sides flying off of these jumps out here. And then I'm going to take some later footage of Jeep and Fox shocks are out here. JKS and BDS are also out here, so I'll kind of give a tour through the vendor area a little later and show you what they got going on there. All right, guys, check it out.